Your Android device may come with a standard home screen layout and interface based on the phone manufacturer and model, but you're not stuck with the way it looks or works. You can enhance your Android device with a launcher. Microsoft Launcher provides a new home screen experience that empowers you to be more productive on your Android device. Microsoft Launcher is highly customizable, allowing you to organize everything on your phone. Your personalized feed makes it easy to view your calendar, to-do list, and more. Sticky notes on the go. When you set up Microsoft Launcher as your new home screen, you can either start fresh with your favorite apps or import your current home screen layout. You can also tap into a full array of settings for the launcher to change the layout and icons on your home screen. Edit your widgets feed, customize the app drawer and dock, and tweak the gestures for swiping around the screen. Nova Launcher provides a clean and friendly look with a range of powerful, flexible features, all of which you can easily customize. You can play with the screen display, the layout, themes, gestures, and other items. Upon starting Nova, the first time you choose a specific layout, theme, and drawer style, and then open the full array of Nova settings. For your home screen and app drawer, you specify the icon grid and layout, search bar style, scrolling effect, and more. Choose the appearance and style for your folder and icons. You can also define specific gestures and shortcuts, then back up and restore your settings and customization. Poco Launcher is a lightweight Android launcher, especially for Xiaomi devices. You can customize pretty much everything around this launcher, easily add applications in groups like entertainment and social, or you can always create your own groupings, resize your home screen layout and app icons, apply customized wallpapers, themes, and animations. Once you start using the Poco Launcher, you will notice its neat and minimalistic design that wraps up all the icons and apps in a very conservative way, yet easy to access. One of the best features of this launcher is the ability to hide apps by hiding their icons. This way user can keep their apps private in case someone checks their phone. Niagara Launcher is one of the most popular launcher applications for Android devices, with the help of which you can make amazing changes to smartphones. All the features are highly organized and you can access them with just a simple click, which eventually makes it more convenient for the user. There are a series of unique design elements available in the application to choose from and get them on your default home screen. Niagara Launcher comes with a variety of built-in widgets for users, and you can add as many widgets on the screen without spending so much time, as it can be done using drag and drop functionality. It helps you quickly play music and easily control your apps from the home screen. The simple interface is the most important feature of this application that allows user to focus on the main feature of the app. All the themes, templates, and other settings are available on the main page of the app. Action Launcher Pixel Edition isn't designed just for Pixel phones. Rather, it uses the Pixel Launcher as its baseline and then adds more feature and options on top. Right off the bat, you can choose where to place the search box, determine how to open the app drawer, and grant the app access to your wallpapers. From there, Action Launcher provides a helpful welcome screen that explains all the key features. The app prides itself on being quick, and that is made clear by how many of its features are named. Quick Theme paints your home screen with the right color to match your wallpaper. Quick Bar lets you tweak the search box with shortcuts and menus. Quick Page offers you a home screen panel that you can access from any screen. You can also back up all of your customizations to restore them or import them onto another phone. That's all about this video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments down below. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Take care and stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.